Want to plan your team's coverage and get clear insights into ticket volume effortlessly? The HappyFox Inflow report gives you a visual breakdown of incoming tickets by channel and category. Track trends over time and get the precise data you need for seamless capacity and resource planning. Now, let's see how an admin can get started with this report. Navigate to Reports in the sidebar, and then to Inflow. The summary pane at the top provides an overview of key Inflow data. Track total ticket volume across all channels and categories. Monitor the average number of tickets created per day. Compare average tickets per weekend and weekday to spot trends. Admins can instantly refine this data by date range, category, or additional filters like status, priority, etc., with all updates reflecting in real time as tickets come in. The report provides 3 primary visualization types for deeper analysis. Inflow by channel chart allows you to monitor ticket creation across channels like email, phone, or contact form. Inflow by category chart helps visualize the count of tickets submitted across various categories, allowing you to identify the busiest areas of your help desk. Note: category data is based on the category assigned at the point of ticket creation. Both Inflow widgets can be viewed across table, bar, pie, or donut chart formats. Channel distribution over categories. Widget allows you to view the distribution details of tickets created across different channels for each category, available in table or bar chart formats. Inflow across time widgets show ticket inflow by category or channel across time. You can refine this visualization by the hour, day, month, quarter, or year to quickly comprehend the most active and inactive time periods. You can choose to view this data in a line chart, timeline table, or a heat map. The Inflow report gives admins the necessary data to monitor volume trends and optimize operational planning.
If you need more help, click on Support to chat, submit a ticket, or read our knowledge base articles. You can also visit HappyFox University for more videos like this one.